It's time for another Burlington haul. So this bag is a few things that I got at Ontario Mills, Burlington, and this bag is something that I got here at our local Burlington. The first item I have shown previously in a video like showing my new bathroom decor, the beautiful like cherry blossom faux floral design. But I have to show you this really cute little thing that I got at the Ontario Mills Burlington. It is so adorable and I really love it so much. It's this beautiful faux pearl set with earrings. Just so adorable, so very cute. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, but this is supposed to be like a makeup stand. It's supposed to be a makeup like brush holder or maybe like a soap holder, but I decided I'm gonna use it for my paint. It's just so cute. The thing I got, it was very cute, from the Ontario Burlington, were these sparkly flip-flops. They sparkle, and they're just so adorable. I mean, if you wanted this to match, this kind of matches his bathroom decor. I have this really beautiful bath towel, 100% cotton. It's a BB bath towel, very adorable, 28 by 52. Such a beautiful bath towel. I can't wait to use it. So those are a few items I got from my mini Burlington haul.